Hi guys, good morning. My name is Arun Jayal. I am a mutual fund distributor based in Rishikesh, and started this YouTube channel as well. And the idea behind starting this channel is to spread awareness regarding mutual funds. And I made many videos regarding investment, why you should invest, and the behavioral aspect of investing and everything. But today I want to go on a contrarian side. Today I want to discuss that who should not invest in mutual fund. Well, I say everybody should invest in mutual fund, but there are few people who have not done the groundwork, who have not this kind of temperament. These people should never invest in mutual fund. They should first have these four or five things sort out, then they can think about that. The first is that people who don't have an emergency fund. If somebody is earning say 15,000 rupee per month and he does not have a emergency fund of 50, 60,000, and he wants to invest heavily in mutual funds and he want to withdraw when a situation arises, then he may end up in doing disservice to himself. So first of all, you should have an emergency fund. You should have saving for 3 to 5 years saved before thinking about investing in mutual fund. Second kind of people are who have very short term uh, horizon. People who wants money in less than 2 3 years, they should never enter in mutual fund because uh, as we as we know that markets go randomly and they can remain choppy and they can remain in bear trend for good 2 3 years. So you have to have patience of at least 2 3 years before thinking about investing in mutual fund. Third kind of people are who can't handle market fluctuations, people who just simply can't handle volatility, people have un, who have expectations which are unreasonable, people who think that market will only go up, who can't tolerate 10 to 15, 20% down in their portfolio. They should never come to investing in mutual fund. They will only have bad memories and they will only feel bad about themselves. And fourth kind of people are who are having high interest debt. What I mean by that is that if you have borrowed at a high interest rate of 15, 16, 20%, mind you, there are many NBFCs which are giving credit at this rate, then you need to pay these credits off before even thinking about investing in markets because first of all you need to pay these debts and you can't expect this kind of return from mutual funds. Clear of these kind of debts and then think about investing in mutual fund. And fifth kind of category is people who want quick money, people who want to have 20% CAGR from the day one, people who want to invest 100,000 and want to get 20,000 next year. People who have this kind of mindset should never ever invest in mutual funds. This asset is for long term investing, this asset is for creating wealth for people who have patience. And if you have patience, you can do wonders for yourself. 12, 13, 14% CAGR is more than enough for you. It will double your assets in 4 or 5 years, 4 5 6 years. So don't try to think about short term and follow these things. It will help you a lot. And I repeat what I said. I said there are five type of people who should not invest in mutual funds. People who don't have an emergency fund, who are heavily relying on the equity part of their portfolio, should never invest in mutual funds. They will burn their hand. People who have very short-term horizon, less than 2 3 years, should never come to mutual funds. People who can't handle market volatility, market fluctuation, a down of 20 30% should not come to mutual funds. And people who are paying high interest rate debts, more than 16 17 80%, should think about paying these debts before coming to mutual funds. And fifth is that when you are looking for quick money, when you want to get quick returns, then mutual funds are not for you. So I hope this clears. I don't want to discourage anybody. I think everybody should come, but you have to do your groundwork, think long term, don't look for short term gains. And you will do service to yourself. If you have any queries or questions, do write to me. Thank you very much. Have a good day.